The unexpected emotional reasons you're not investing in real estate. Number 1, you're afraid of failing. The truth is, investing can seem like a daunting task, but with the right knowledge and the right plan, real estate investing can be a very wise investment. Number 2, you hate feeling out of control. The truth is, it's normal to feel uncertain, especially if you're new to the real estate industry. And while you cannot control all of the things, such as prices, interest rates, etc., you can educate yourself and make solid decisions based on reason and facts. Number 3, you've had a negative past experience. The truth is, it's easy to let negative experiences sway your judgment, but every investment is unique. Keep an open mind, do your research, and don't let the past dictate what could be a very profitable future for you. Number 4, you're overthinking it. Overthinking can sometimes result in missed opportunities. Do not let analysis paralysis or fear of the unknown hold you back from stepping out of your comfort zone. Number 5, you think you have too many obligations already. The truth is, there are ways to invest in real estate that don't require a lot of hands-on involvement. When you're a landlord, you can be as involved or uninvolved as you choose. Number 6, if you're ready to take the leap, don't let fear hold you back. Don't let uncertainty hold you back. Find good people, listen to sound advice, and go on and take a calculated risk. When it's all said and done, my guess is that you'll wish that you would have done it sooner.